What's up, guys? All right, today I usually promote paid stuff, but today I got another good one. This one is absolutely free to join. You can get paid easily for taking surveys, and you get paid for voicing your opinion on different websites and products. You can redeem your virtue points for PayPal or e-gift cards. So yeah, so this is called SurveyJunkie.com. And you see some of the gift cards you can redeem: PayPal, Target gift card, Amazon gift card. So all you do is click the join now button, enter your email address, click sign up. But I already have an account, so let me log in. So I'll take you to the process of creating it. All you do is sign up with your email. Update. I actually can't log in, but if I could, I would show you the back office of Survey Junkie. But yeah, this is the site. So if you want to join, you can go ahead and join. Check it out. It's free to join. Just click join now and see your email address. Click sign up. Thanks.